Lauren and I live in McLean, Virginia. We hired Cyrus Construction to help us with finishing our basement rec room as well as our home gym. And in the rec room that included finishing the floors, the walls, as well as completing an extensive wet bar as well as an entertainment center. We decided to work with Cyrus Construction after meeting with several different potential vendors. We greatly appreciated that they came very quickly to our home, spent a lot of time with us, walking through both the rec room and the gym, hearing our ideas, and sending us a very detailed proposal very quickly. We also appreciated their willingness to meet with us a few times before we made a decision to move forward, and we were both impressed with the simplicity of their contracting process, the great detail that we got around cost going into the project, so we knew up front what the budget would look like, and also their willingness to strike the right balance between hearing what we were looking for, but also providing us guidance so that we came up with a final product that we were very happy with. We found that they were very easy to work with throughout the process. It was one of the most seamless projects that I have ever had done in my home. There was consistency with the people who were involved in the project. They were responsive to our questions and emails, always getting back to us the same day so that we knew what was happening with the project and we were able to make adjustments as we went on. I greatly appreciated that anytime there were any costs added, they were things that we had requested and that we knew about in advance before we got any requests for any changes that happened. We're extremely pleased with the end product. We think it's beautiful. It's much more beautiful than if we had designed it just on our own. All of the different adjustments and design suggestions that they made really made a wonderful end product far beyond anything that we could have come up with on our own, and we are extremely excited to have this as part of our home.